guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Georgia. Welcome. And today I'm gonna talk about a haul, Dollar Tree haul. What happened is, but before I get into that, let me show you guys and let you know why I'm recording using my phone. So I ordered this camera. From Overstock, and it is the Nikon BX500, I believe. Yeah, the Nikon Coolpix B5000. I ordered this camera because the way that they set it up on the site, it made it seem like it had a flip screen. So I ordered it to do vlogging and just making videos, but come to find out, the screen does not flip. If you guys could see the so this is it, screen, and thinking that it would flip up, it doesn't. All it does is just move in and out, and I think, oh, up and down, and that's it. It doesn't flip all the way up, because if you're filming a video, you want to make sure that you're in frame and you know that it's coming out well. So I am about to return this camera. From looking at all the other vlogging cameras out there, they're very expensive, and this cost me about $280, and I thought it would work, but it's not. I mean, it's a great camera if you want to do difficult shots, like if you have to shoot down low, you know, you could bring this down and look at the screen while you focus the camera, or up high. But as far as for vlogging, I need something that flips out and then turn around so that I could see myself from the front. So if any of you have this camera that you use, let me know how you use it for vlogging. But for now, I'm going to return it, and later on down the line, I could repurchase it. But I'm not keeping this. I need the money to buy a better camera. So, into the video. I went into the Dollar Tree right after the gym. That's why you see no makeup and all that. Went into the Dollar Tree right after the gym because I just needed to grab some water. I went for my water. This is the water, the spring water from the Dollar Tree. I try to drink at least half a bottle of this a day, because as you know, water does the body good. You got to get it in. And if you work out a lot, you need to replenish. So I went into the Dollar Tree just for water, and somehow I came home with a lot of beauty items. And I don't know how I found my way into the snack aisle, but I also got these Cheez Doodles. And these are the Cheez Doodles from Wise, and it's the Bake Puff Cheez Doodles. So if you don't know, they have them at Dollar Tree for $1. I like them, and my sister likes them too, so, you know, go get you some. But yeah, so that's it for the food items. But as far as the beauty items, let me first start off with this one. So this is a Collagen Spa Treatment Mask. Let me see if you could get a better look. Collagen, focus. Okay, it's not focusing because I have the DSLR app. I downloaded that app to my phone, my Android phone, so I could film with. But I don't know if you could see. So it's a facial mask, and it comes with 2 in the package for $1. You get, yeah, 2 package for $1. And I've never used it before, but it's $1, so I'm gonna try. Maybe when I do use it, I'll film myself doing it. But it says it helps. It's okay. Anti-aging serum, soothing 15-minute facial therapy, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, helps to firm, tone, and revive skin elasticity. So let's see how that works. So I came on with that. Picked up some more items, some more beauty items. I already took them out the package, so you guys. I also picked up makeup wipes. So this is the makeup wipes I got. They're similar to the Neutrogena ones, so I'm looking forward to using it and see how it works. And it's the Retinol Makeup Cleansing Wipes. They also have a pink package there. I didn't try those. I don't know why, but I forgot what it says on it. But they have the blue pack and also the pink package. If you guys see me looking all over the screen, I'm trying to figure out where the camera is. Oh, I could see it now. Just bear with me. I also got a beauty brush, and this is the angled liner brush, and I'm gonna use it to help with when I do my eyebrows. Like I tell you guys, I hardly have any, so when I do put them on and need to detail them using the concealer, this brush would be very helpful. I also got some nail polish. So I got 2 nail polish from the Dollar Tree, and this one is a hot pink. So it is called Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polish. So I got the hot pink for pedicure, manicure. I'm not sure which I'm going to use it for yet, but and then this is, I don't know how it comes off on camera, but it's like a very light yellow, kind of like a cross between yellow and marshmallow. It's not white. Somehow I like it. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Probably on my toes or my hands. I don't know yet. But those 2 nail polish I got. I also got, where is it? Did I lose it? Oh no, I have them here. Wow. I also got, it's a duo. It's a lipstick and lip gloss in one. So on one end you have the lipstick, pretty good, and I also picked up a kind of red one. I don't know where it is, but I'm not gonna look for it now. And then this, the lip gloss. So it's a pretty color. Let me see, do they have the color? I took it out the package. I forgot what the color is called, and it's not listed. It is on the bottom, but it's very fine print. It's called Vibe. This is the color called Vibe. And then I think I also picked up another red one called either Wine or Fire. So that's that. And then I picked up another lip gloss from e.l.f. I'm going to try these on later. So this is from e.l.f. And it's like another hot pink. So if you guys could see. Let me see. They say to swatch it on the inside of your arm, right? To show the color. Can you see? All right. I'm doing the best I can. I'm learning. The next videos will be better. So that is the lip gloss. And it actually, it smells good. I don't know if it's that one or the other one. It smells good. Let me see. What else did I pick up? I also picked up a eyeshadow palette. And it's from the brand LA Colors. And let me open it. You get a better look at the colors inside. I have a lot of eyeshadow. But somehow this one drew. I don't know how they're going to go on. But look at the pretty spring colors in there. You know, most of the time you pick up a palette, you don't use all these colors. But I think I'm going to be using this. I think I'm going to end up with these. I don't know. I don't know about this side right here. But from here all the way over, I think I'll be using all of those. Okay, but these are from LA Colors. Depending on how pigmented they are and how well they go on. And the last thing that I picked up from the Dollar Tree is this thing right here. It was in the package, but it is like a nail manicure set, or nail manicure file. So this is it. It came in a package, and this is it. It's battery operated. It comes with the battery. And then you have these 3 heads. So one of the head is for they're labeled also. I don't know if you could see. Come in closer. It's labeled. You can see the number 2, but they're labeled 1, 2, and 3. So one is to shape, one is to buff, and the third one is to shine. So I'm gonna be using those to help me get a more smooth manicure. So hopefully it works. I saw a lot of people with this in their cart, and they were like flying off the shelf. So it must be really good. So like I said, I went in for water, and I came out with all those things. And that's it. Oh, I also went to Sally Beauty. I don't know if I told you in my last video that I was heading to Sally Beauty to get some extensions to get rid of this connector on and get some curly hair. Well, I went to Sally Beauty. They did not have anything. it was really horrible. So I'm gonna have to hit up my local beauty supply store. Well, I'm in Brooklyn, so there's a lot of them. Once I go on to Flatbush Avenue, Utica, Church, I could find a whole bunch of them. So the only thing that I got from the Dollar Tree was this edge control from Cream of Nature. But look at the color. It's black edge control. I like that because, ladies, the grays are starting to come in, and I don't want to have to color every other week. So I'm hoping that this will help. I know they have the color stick and all that to use, but you would like to have, you know, the edge control with a little bit of slick. I know that they have black gel out there. I don't know if this is anything like this, but I'm going to try it and see what happens. But so that's it. That's all I found today. Went for water and came home with all of this. So guys, I thank you for watching my video. Remember, like, subscribe, and make sure you visit my other channel where I teach people how to make money using Clickbank on the computer. I mean, I go step by step. I show you how to pick the product, where to go, how to advertise it, how to make money, how to set up everything. And I'll put the link down below. It's going to be called my Make Money channel, I believe I labeled it. So make sure you also go over to that channel and watch those videos. But I thank you for watching this video today. Again, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you wish. And I will see you on the next video. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye-bye.